Hello everyone, welcome today. Hello. Sudoku Friends, show me a Sudoku puzzle. Yes. We have only one regular Sudoku puzzle in today's newspaper of Monday. Yes, new week, Monday, November the 8th, 2021. And we have good news because in the last few days we have in a row, 3 days in a row, no additional, but today we have an additional with extra Sudokus. Letter Sudoku we have here 2 stars, 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, binary puzzle and a tectonic with 1 star, and those puzzles I am not interested, so 6 extra puzzles today. Yes, but first we will solve this medium regular Sudoku number. This will be number 3651. Yes, 3651. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the number? Let me see. Which number can I pick? Interesting. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So in the column between in the second column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Interesting. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Right, 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 1 should be here. Okay. Then. How about the number? Interesting. We have a 3 there. Only 1 3. Yeah. 4. Yeah, I need a 4 there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have 4 in the last column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. On that column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. In the first column, one of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Then 7 in the last row, 7 in that row. So the row between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 707 in these 2 boxes. There's 707 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be here. 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 707, there's 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 707, there's 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there's 707 there. Here 707 there. The only place for the 7 should be there, and all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7, lucky 7. Yes, alright. Alright. Then. How about 1 number left in this big square for number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Then 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers. So 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4 and a 5 is missing, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 5. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. So 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then We have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 2. All right. One number left in this column for the number 3 and a 5. Well, we have a 3 here now. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. 5 in this column. 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. All right. Then. How about 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. We have an 8 now. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. Alright, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 6. All right. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. Okay. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be an 8. And all the 3's are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 4 and a 9. Let me mark those. How about this box in this column? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 4. Alright. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. You see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Faster than 50 minutes. So I'm real pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon with the other 3 puzzles. Yeah, I won't do them all. Only 3 of them in the additional I will solve. Those are the 3-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary. See you later. Bye bye for now.